Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another classic. I want to talk to y'all. Now, one of my subscribers sent me a video on a guy on YouTube speaking about age corporation. Now, this is a topic that I spoke about in the past when people are out there, they want to build their business side. They want to add the right trade lines, the right accounts on their business credit report so it could look good and it could look professional. Now, in this video, I would play it, but I decided not to play it because I'm not going to bash or knock anybody what they're doing. But I need to make this clear when people are telling people to buy Age Corporation. Now, a month ago, I did a one-on-one with one of my clients and they were speaking on buying an Age Corporation for over $10,000. And he was asking me, what's my opinion on that topic? And I'm gonna let you know out the gate. It's outrageous. Number one, you're buying an Age Corporation. You don't know the facts about the Age Corporation. Because a lot of times, a lot of these people I speak about that curious about Age Corporations, or they recently bought one, or they're thinking about buying one, either or. They really don't know the understanding of buying an Age Corporation, how to check certain things, how to make sure that this corporation don't have liens, lawsuits, and things like that on it. They'll just take the advice off of somebody they've seen on Instagram, YouTube, and go out there and spend their hard-earned money on an Age Corporation, buy it, and come to find out that that Age Corporation has civil suits on it. Now, that's a whole nother story. Maybe one day I'll bring him up here and he can speak about his experience about this happening. So when one of my subscribers have sent me that video of him saying to buy Age Corporation and how good it is, but not telling people to have a clear understanding the downside of buying an Age Corporation. You got to do your own research. You got to make sure everything is good with that Age Corporation. Not just do a video and say, you need to buy Age Corporation. If you want to get this big funding, if you need $250,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, you need an Age Corporation, but not telling you need to do step A, research, step B, looking up certain things. They're not telling you none of that. So long story short, a person bought an Age Corporation that I did a one-on-one with, and it had a lawsuit on it, right? That it was hidden. There's certain ways that it can be hidden that you won't even know when you're buying this, right? But if you got the right things in position, if you have the right lawyers in position, they could find out all this information before you do that purchase. The reason why I'm doing this video, because it's kind of annoying me that people are making videos like this and having people going out there spending money, but not teaching them the right way. Now, would I advise anybody to buy an Age Corporation? Absolutely not. For many of reasons that I'm not going to get into today. But no, I have did previous videos speaking about this topic, and I really don't want to speak about it anymore. It's getting annoying that people are pushing this on others, right? Go out there, start your own LLC, add your own trade lines, build it up the proper way, get your own age on it, right? For many of reasons. You could go out there and buy an Age Corporation today, right? Now you think it has this, you're buying it with these trade lines, you're buying this package deal that's supposedly gotta be ready to go, right? But you go into the bank and you asking for this funding, but you don't know the bank can see that this corporation was recently transferred over into your name, meaning that you just purchased it, right? That's a red flag for the banks out the gate. I'm gonna let you know that right now. So anybody that's telling you this, that's not a red flag. That's absolutely a lie, and that's a red flag for any bank when you go in there looking for funding and they look it up and see that this recently was transferred over to you, right? Another thing about business credit, we're not talking about the Age Corporation, is people speaking on using your personal address as your business address, saying that it doesn't matter to the bank. As you're generating money, that's all the bank cares about, which is an absolute lie. It's no way you going to the bank and asking for $500,000, $1 million, $2 million. And they look up and see that you're using your personal address as your business address, and they're going to approve you, the underwriters. Absolutely not. So again, I would show you the video, but I'm not even going to get into all that, and this person, the video got a lot of views. It has a lot of views, and it's just outrageous that people will push this on people, and then other people that's watching it believes it, and they'll go out there and spend this money. And not knowing is a lot of things that come with buying an age corporation. So I'm pretty much done with that. But again, anybody telling you that you could use your personal address as a business address, please don't be listening to them. Them saying that the banks, all they care about is the money that your business is generating. Yes, that's good. It's places where you could go get funding, offer income that your business is bringing in. But don't think you're going to go get a big bag and those underwriters is not going to red flag these certain simple things that you are saying. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top. I'm going to start getting more depth on the personal and the business, because I understand if you look around, just look around on social media years ago, let's say 2, 3, 4 years ago, even up to 5 years ago. If you open up your social media, everybody was repairing people's credit, right? As time went by, those people that was credit repair experts are not doing credit repair anymore. What are they doing? Funding. I could get you funding. That's the next hustle, right? I could get you funding. Get you approved for $100,000, but then taking $15,000 to $20,000 off the top. So already you in debt $15,000 to $20,000, right? Which for me, if that happened to me, it wouldn't matter, because I know how to really flip money real quick. But for somebody that's new in business, that you got $100,000 out the gate, you 15, 20 in the hole because this person that pushed some paperwork in just cut into the pot. And I want you to all think about that. We went from credit repair to people saying they're getting you funding, to now it's a whole bunch of other things. Now the credit repair, you don't even know they credit repair no more. I open up social media, they're doing a whole bunch of other things. So to me, that's a red flag, because if you fix credit, then you fix credit. Not saying that you can't have other hustles, because business is business, but don't downplay certain things that you was just doing on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube a couple years ago. Now you're on funding. Now you're in people's pockets, taking 15, 20,000. So I just wanted to bring all this to you. Again, I always gave away my ebook for years, personal, to fix your own credit yourself. I never fixed anybody's credit. I never did no credit repair, right? I only help people out. I gave you the ebook. I showed you how to do it yourself. So you don't have to be paying people to do things that you could do yourself. The same way when it comes to the business side, when people saying age corporation, trying to skip the line, trying to jump the line instead of doing it yourself. You could go to Fundbox with 3 to 6 months on that LLC and go get some funding with almost no income in your business. Why? I have done it. It's people I've helped have done it. Very simple. And there's plenty of other fintech companies that you could go to with new LLCs and get funding, right? You don't need to jump and go buy Age Corporation, spend all your money, and then you don't know about the downside of buying an Age Corporation. Maybe one day I'll get into that when it comes to liens, lawsuits, things like that. That's a whole nother story. Again, if you think you're gonna buy an Age Corporation today and you're gonna walk into the bank and you're gonna get some funding, they're not gonna see that this corporation was recently transferred, and that's a red flag. You got another thing coming, excuse me. But again, you could do what you want. Everybody got to make their own decisions. I do this because I want to see everybody do it the right way and the proper way. Stop being lazy and stop trying to skip the line, people. So again, I'm going to get more depth. I'm about to change a lot of things up when it comes to my channel. I say within the next 2 days, I'm going to change up a lot of things. I will have to say when it comes to my channel and actually working with people, man. I want to actually get with clients and get with them and work with them on a personal, build it up to a great 750, 800 credit score, and then start seeing their vision and start working on their business side and helping them with that. A lot of things are going to change, but I'm going to give you the information. But a lot of videos are going to start cutting back because I really want to work with people one-on-one and really help them out to get to that next level so they're doing the proper way. So again, get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.